What is up, guys? It's Maciek at Goliath, and today we have something for all the Ineos owners. So we have this Ineos Grenadier that we've been working on for a while now, and I wanted to show you all the cool products that we have, and it will be available very soon on our website. So starting off, we have this very cool front bumper. So this will be a modular front bumper. So this bumper will not require any removal or relocation of the intercoolers. You can see they're all in the factory position. All the sensors are all kept in the same exact position. They all work. We tested that. So this one is our prototype bumper. So the production one will not be much different. It will probably not have these because the Ineos have those hooks right here, which are very sturdy. So once we are here, I want to show you the replacement skid plate for the bumper. So you can see it's all steel construction with aluminum mesh, and this will replace the factory skid plate that's over there because it will just not fit with our front bumper. So as you can see, what's different with this front bumper than other front bumpers on the market do not have is the hidden winch. So there is no winch visible from the top. It's all hidden in here, and if you're wondering how to mount the control box for the winch, we have a bracket for that. So everything is easily accessible, like your clutch and everything here. And over there you can see we have our bull bar, which this is an option. It's a modular bull bar. You can see it's in 3 pieces. So this will actually tie the bumper together very nicely. It will make it more sturdy. And it's an option. We have bumper either bare or with this bull bar available. Moving on to the top, we have these super nice aluminum plates. So these are super cool. You can mount, you can put your tools and stuff onto them when you work on the car, and they just look pretty cool, more like the Fender like, I would say. And over here we have our exterior door Molle panels. So these basically just mount to your L-track system that's from the factory on your doors. We have front and rear. They're still aluminum, super easy to mount, super nice. You can mount a bunch of stuff to them, like shovels, axes, rotopacks. And then moving on with the Molle panels, we have our quarter window Molle panels. So these are super trick. You can mount again whole bunch of stuff to them. We have mounted a water rotopacks to this just to show you guys, but it mounts to your roof with the bolts, provided bolts. And as you can see, you can even have the Baja designs and other lights mounted onto the factory roof rack brackets right here, and it will not interfere with our mounts. So this is also a modular design. It's a 2-piece design. It mounts to the L-track again, and super nice, low profile, and it protects your quarter window, which is really nice. Now moving on, we have 2-step options or rock sliders. So this will be our 10-degree rock sliders. So this one will be angled a little bit, and this is a tubular version. So as you can see, we have our signature honeycomb plates right here, the logos, and super beefy brackets. And it's mounted with 3 legs, so that slider is not going anywhere. Let me walk you guys to the other side of the truck, where we have another option for a step. So this is our step slider, which is also mounted on the same exact brackets as the tubular step, and it's got this super cool aluminum step plate which protects the paint, protects the slider, and just looks really nice and high-end. Okay guys, I just got rained on. You know, we live in Florida, so it comes really quickly, but we are good now, and I'm gonna show you more cool things we got. So coming back to these rock sliders steps, as you can see, these are fully boxed. They're not tubular, and they have this pretty nice aluminum top plate, step plate. So this will protect your paint and it will just look really, really nice, more high-end, and it will match with our other stuff that also comes with bare aluminum accent plates. And these sliders will have the same brackets as our tubular sliders, so super sturdy. They're not going anywhere. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that we have for the inside of the Ineos. So as you can see, if you follow us on Instagram, you've probably seen these before, but these are our interior window Molle panels. So we have them for basically all the windows in the cargo area, as you can see. So this one mounts with brackets that are on the inside, so you can't really see the brackets from the outside, and you can mount a bunch of the Molle accessories to it. So this is for the small window. We also have one for the big window, which, as you can see, we have some accessories mounted, like this pouch. And then a very cool thing that we have is these little tabs. So we work close with our friends that do 3D printing stuff, and they designed this bracket, or like a mount, I would say. So this is all 3D printed. It has a like a insert that's in the plastic itself. So you can, so what this allows you is mount this in any of those holes right here. And you can see that there's two of them. You can mount one, but they're designed so two of them will fit in the larger opening. But we have like smaller openings right here, which can just use one. And this is two-piece. This will allow you to mount something that's smaller, has a smaller bracket than this opening right here. And what these brackets do is basically just sandwich the Molle panel, so you can mount stuff onto it. And if you have something that has bigger brackets, like for example this one, this tab right here, so you can use this to mount shovels, axes, fly rods, whatever you have. And as you can see, this has a bigger footprint, so it only needs the back plate, which I can probably show you from the back here. As you can see right there, it has this gray tab right here. So these are super cool. And this is how the top plate looks like. It has a like a key design, so they're not gonna move. Really cool stuff, and this will be available on our website very soon. So this is how you mount stuff to it. Super sturdy, super nice. Moving on, we have our quarter window inside Molle panels. So they're basically the same as for the all the other windows. They have L-track mounts, they have Molle mounts, slats, holes, everything they can possibly want. And then we have our attic. So this is like a shelf basically. It has the front divider, which doesn't allow stuff to slide onto the passengers, which is really cool. And it just allows you to mount or place a bunch of other stuff like pillows, blankets and whatnot if you go camping. So that's really cool interior setup right there. And then let me move you guys to the inside, where we have two more things I want to show you. So let me hop in here. Moving on to the inside, we have this really cool bracket right here. So this allows you to mount all the electronics, radios and brackets and whatnot for all the stuff that you want right in your face on the interior. So these will use these bolts, which are the same bolts as the ones that come from the factory. They're just a little bit longer. So this is really sturdy, really nice. You can mount a bunch of stuff to it. And then we have this little guy right here, which is another Molle panel. So this basically goes into the place that doesn't have any buttons or anything like this. That's really sturdy. It also comes with the same style bolts as the factory. It has these little spacers, so you can actually space out the Molle panel, and you can mount stuff like these radios to it, or basically any pouch or sunglasses holder or any stuff like that. Really cool. And that's about it for all the new products. We also have a set of skid plates. So one big one for your transfer case and transmission, and one for your engine, which is very hard to show you guys right now, so I'm just gonna include some pictures in the video. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and go check out the website to see all the cool stuff. And if we don't have something on the website, it's gonna be on the website soon. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.